Following a devastating storm in the Shantirbazar subdivision, newly elected MDC Kenaram Reang earned widespread praise for his hands-on approach to disaster recovery. Massive uprooted trees had blocked vital rural roads in Holy Cross and Devipur, with many falling onto live power lines, causing total blackouts and posing severe safety risks. Rather than leaving the task solely to officials, MDC Kenaram Reang, along with his supporters, joined the Forest Department teams on the ground.
Chini power bank Chini Holy Cross my Devipur lama pura block current post no okay by me now. Avonatong a department, forest department Velaye, Boramano Divum Kanka Paran Bro, Korate, Jotonan Cole, Mpangrasoya Lamana clear can get out a caribou, not hung soletomay. A current posed by upon a current tartar gom Brahma Chopaita and Katoi, Tauchon current among to my young tone, department of Sane, immediate, Jonas Samukeri among boy, and Lamato clear hand, no Pobayun car, so may I put out tongue. Tao thang to aro thang ke chung silen ke mtoi position bai ha enke aro ko chung je nang ko mai sin thang ye abagra nang ko ma chesta ke hambai
Reporter Bibikram from Shantirbazar, Chini, Khorang.